Welcome back, guys. And in your Samsung or any Android mobile, if you have forgotten your pattern lock or password or fingerprint sensor, then how do you use that phone? In this video, I am going to tell you very clearly what are the possible things. So, suppose you have forgotten this your number and it is saying that not correct, not correct, not correct, not correct. So in that case, what you need to just press emergency, and here after that press power on and plus key, and just this is an MI mobile, press power on key and plus key. After some time it will reboot. Okay, just wait 1 minute, just plus key and power on key, just wait for some time and it will be reboot. Okay, now it is starting. Reboot to system, you can read it in the blue rectangle. Now with the volume plus and minus key we will go back. With minus key we will come down, and with the help of power on button we will go back. So this power on button we need to press. Okay, now it is what the option is. Second option is wipe data. We need to wipe all your data to restart the phone, to reuse the phone, not restart, reuse the phone. So just with the help of power button, just select wipe all data. Now it will ask, just confirm it. Okay, now it is wiping all data. So back to the main menu and then reboot. Now it will be rebooted. Reboot to the system. Okay, now the phone will be rebooted. I will come back again when it will restart. So it is an old phone, so MI user interface 11 has come. Now we will go ahead, just set up the phone. Now shift keyboard selected, it will ask for the network. I will enter the password of one available Wi-Fi here, connect it. Now it is connected, then go forward. Now select it, select it. Now no SIM card here. Okay, now set up as a new. Now it will ask for it will update and ask for owners group email ID which were earlier registered. This should be known to you, otherwise it will ask please sign in using one of your owners account to log in into this phone. This should be known. If you do not know, just enter here. I will enter mine. So I have entered my Gmail ID. Now enter password here. Password has been entered. Now it will log in into the phone. It will verify from previous phone. So just add previous account, and now it will go. More. Okay, more, then accept it. All set. Now escape. Skip. Okay, skip this step. Now again choose a theme, Setup complete. Now it will log on. That's all. This is how you can reuse your phone. That's all. Thank you very much.